Sage Vell is marketed as a trendy women's fashion store offering stylish dresses and boutique-inspired clothing at heavily discounted prices. But the real question is Sage Vell a real fashion store, or could it be another questionable online retailer? Now, to be fair, not every online clothing boutique is a scam. Many legitimate fashion brands operate entirely online and use social media advertising to reach customers. What it does well: the website looks professional. At first glance, the store appears similar to many modern e-commerce fashion brands. The clothing designs are attractive. The store showcases fashionable styles that may appeal to shoppers looking for trendy outfits, where the red flags start appearing. The discounts may be unusually aggressive. This is one of the biggest concerns. Massive markdowns are commonly used by questionable fashion stores to create urgency. Independent information may be limited. A lack of established brand history can make it difficult to verify product quality and customer service. Product photos do not guarantee product quality. Clothing may look significantly different in person than it appears in highly edited marketing images. So is Sage Vell real or fake? Short answer: it may be a real store that ships products, but shoppers should be cautious and do their research before ordering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.